Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record a transaction with sale text in it. So all you need is to just log in into the QuickBooks, and once you logged in into the QuickBooks, on the left hand side you can see there's a plus big button. You can click on that, and under the column just select invoices, and here you can select your customer. Let's say this is our customer, and here you can add your relevant customer email, and if you wanna get a copy of this email, and this is BBC for another person, you can also do that. And if you wanna send it later, then you can just simply check this button, and you can update your billing address. You can set your net terms. Let's say the net terms is 50, and this is invoice date. You can also adjust your invoice date or due date. You can also update your location, and if you have any tag you can also add tags, and here you can select your product or services. Let's say our services is gardening, and you can update your description, and you can also update your quantity rate, and let's say the quantity is 1 and the rate is, let's say, 50. Once you add 50, here you can see that there's a text option. If you wanna add the sale text on this invoice, you just simply tick the box, and here you can see that this is the subtotal, and this is, if you wanna give a discount on this invoice, you can also give your discount, and here you can see that this is the taxable amount. And if we for example, if we just uncheck this box, you see here there's a difference. You can see the difference when we click on check. You see that that's the difference. So here you can also select your here you can also select your side location taxes. Let's say if you are in California, then the tax rate is 8%, and if you are in another state, then the tax rate is different, and you can also choose your desired one. And if you want to add a new location rate, you can also do that. And if you want to add more lines, you can add more lines from here, and if you want to clear all those lines, you can just clear on that. And here you can change your message that appears on the invoice. Here you can also update your message that display on the statement, and if you have any attachment that you wanna link to this invoice, you can also do that. And once everything is done, and here you can see that here you can take print or preview of this invoice. You can also make a recurring, and you can also customize this invoice. And once everything is done, just click on save and send, and it will automatically send to your customer because you already put the relevant customer email here, and this is the preview of your email. Send this email to your customer, you just click on send and close. So that's how you can add sale texts on the invoice inside the QuickBooks. So thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.